Hello and welcome back to Repairman 101 channel. This LED spotlight has only been in use for 3 months. And it's already broken. Manufacturers want us to buy new. But we will repair it. As you can see, it has no screws. But we will open it anyway. Let's see how it's done. We will use a heat gun and set it at the lowest temperature. We try to heat it evenly on all sides. Now, using a normal putty knife, we gently pry between the glass and the metal. And that's it, it's now open. And at first glance we can see that 2 LEDs are burned out. We will use this nice little power supply to test the LEDs. If you want more information about this portable power supply, you can read the video description. We set the output to 5 volts and it's ready to use it. These ones are good. But these 2 are broken. Yes, these 2 are the faulty ones. We remove them by grinding, but you can use other methods as well. We will use a SMD diode to replace the burned LEDs. I use this homemade soldering iron tip to remove the SMD diode. Now we solder the diode instead of the burned LEDs. Do you think this will be a long-lasting repair? Please tell me what you think in the comments below.
Thanks for your feedback.
Time to test it. And its success. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks.